Welcome to beach, walk with Olivia. Today I'm in Baška Voda, on Croatia's sunlit Adriatic coast. Let the sea speak to your soul as we walk together. I wake with the scent of salt and pine, a breeze that kisses like old wine. The pebbles warm beneath my feet, the sea calls out so clear, so sweet. I'm Olivia, and this is my morning walk along the turquoise hush of Baska Voda shore. This little town, once a humble fishing port, now a heartbeat of the Makarska Riviera, sings its stories in shades of white stone and blue, beyond blue. Come on a beach walk with Olivia, let the sun wrap around you like silk. The sea knows your name, the cicadas sing and flame, and time moves softer like milk. With each wave and step I take, Baška Voda breathes and wakes. This is more than just a view, it's a feeling waiting for you. To my left, Mount Biokovo rises, majestic, ancient, always watching. Its rocky bones glow in silver at dawn, like a guardian card from sky. And to my right, this sea, the Adriatic, so impossibly clear. You see down to the soul of the stone. Sometimes I pause just to watch the light dance on the water's surface. It moves like music, a quiet rhythm that hums beneath everything. The air smells of pine needles, seaweed and citrus, a scent that stays on your skin long after you've left. Did you know Baška Voda was named after Bast and Voda, the village above and the sacred water springs that nourish the land? The Romans were here once, their ruins still rest nearby, and in the small church of St. Nicholas you can feel time settle like dust on ancient prayers. But today it's children laughing in the shallows, locals greeting each other with sunburned smiles, boats rocking gently in the harbor, and me, Olivia, just breathing it all in. One quiet step at a time, come walk with Olivia down these winding coastal dreams, where the breeze tells secrets and the sea still believes in slow days and golden beams. Every pebble, every tree whispers of how life should be, simple, barefoot, wild and free in Baška Voda by the sea. The cicadas sing their electric tune as the sun climbs higher into the blue, and in this light everything glows. I pass a sleepy cafe, the clink of coffee cups, and a man humming an old Dalmatian song. Palm trees sway lazily, casting long shadows on ancient stones. I trail my fingers through the water, it's warm, alive, and pulls at my heart in quiet ways. Croatia, a country where the coastline is poetry, where islands float like forgotten thoughts, and
Nie wiem, co to bude.